Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video I have a beautiful remedy for you guys. If you're the type of person that you have a wrinkled neck, you have a crop feet, you have acne, you have a saggy skin, this my remedy will be very good for you. So you can see guys that this is corn flour. So corn flour is packed with a lot of beautiful property. Corn flour is packed with oil absorbing, okay, and cleansing property, which make your skin flawless and beautiful. If you are the type of person that you are very dry skin, I will advise you to add a skin milk with it, okay. So the second ingredient we are going to be using rose water, okay guys. I prefer this brand, is very good for me. If you are the type of person that you have a sensitive skin, I will advise you to get this product, or if there's any product you have already used that work well with your skin, go ahead. It's good for your oily skin, because I'm a oily skin person. If you are the type of person that you have oily skin like me, this brand is very superb for your skin. And we are going to be add rose water on it. And the last ingredient we are going to be using the lemon. The lemon contains a lot of beautiful property. Also, it contains a lot of vitamin C, it contains a lot of healing, it contains a lot of bleaching property. It heals and it removes dead cell, removes spot, it lightens skin. If you are the type of person that you are looking for a flawless skin, I think you have to get the habit of a lemon. Add lemon with your home remedy, or you can actually use lemon with sea salt direct to your skin. If you have all these stubborn pimples or blackhead, if you want to do a face scrub, lemon is a wonderful property, wonderful resource for those parts. It's very good for exfoliate skin. And we are going to be adding we need bowl, and I will be using a tablespoon of sunflower, a corn flour. I'm such a messy person, and we are going to squeeze all this, and this will help you to get rid of the fine line. This will get rid of the wrinkles. What this does, the reason why we are using the corn flour is to absorb the wrinkles problem itself, and is to help you to fade in and to give your skin elastic. And because the reason why you are having the wrinkles is because the skin is already saggy, so you need something that will boost and that will help you to firm the lines of the wrinkles, and something that will help you to repair it quickly, because the ingredients that I'm showing you contain a lot of healing property. The corn flour is loaded with a beautiful, amazing vitamin C. That is very good for our skin. Please guys, I'm cooking. You have to leave this. We need a lot of the lemon shell. I don't know the name for this, but we need that. We have to put that. That is what we need. And as you can see, it's too watering. I'm still going to add more corn flours, and we need quarters of tablespoon. And I'm going to go back. As you can see guys, it's still watery. Excuse me guys. I'm going to add, you have to keep adding and that is quarter. So I'm going to show you the quantity that I want. What we just want it to be paste, so we are going to refrigerate this. This will last 3 to 4 months in your fridge, and you have to be applying it. What we are looking for, you are going to be using this to scrub the wrinkles, okay? And if you have a stubborn wrinkles, guys, you see the way I keep adding until when I got the what I want. So I'll tell you if now we are okay. This is what I want. This is how it's supposed to be, okay guys? Yeah, this is what I want. So guys, so you will leave this on for 1 hour on the effect area where the wrinkles, yeah, this is what I want, where the wrinkles is. So you apply this 2 to 3 times a day, and please leave it 1 hour and give yourself 7 working days, okay? Consistency is the key. You're going to clean your face. You are going to wash your face first with lukewarm water. You dry it with clean towel, and I'm going to show you how we're going to be applying it. Now guys, this is the consistency I want. This is what you when it look like cream. So I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be applying it to your skin. And this is, this is the effect area. So you're going to be do circular motion, and what it does is absorb to the wrinkles area, okay guys? And you damp. So you leave it for 1 hour. It's going to be dry, and it's what you want in this situation. You will leave it to dry. It has to dry. It has to absorb all the stubborn lines. I'm going to get rid of the wrinkles. The wrinkles is lack of moisturize, and this is full and is loaded with a lot of moisturizer, and it's loaded with a lot of vitamin C, and it's loaded with a lot of healing property, and this is going to fade the wrinkle. This we're going to tight the wrinkles. You rinse it and you continue. It's a continuation process, and this could take you, it could heal it immediately. Maybe after 3 days. You could be very lucky that you have to wait for 1 month, but definitely this will heal it. We heal it and we clear it, and your skin is going to be look like a baby skin, and you're going to have a flawless skin, and people will be continuing to ask you, what are you using for your wrinkles? So make sure you share it, guys. As you can see, it started. Just leave it for 1 hour, so it's going to dry. When it dries, so you are going to rinse that part with lukewarm water, and you continue. You apply your moisturize, whatever you are using to it, you moisturize. And the secret of wrinkles, our age, as we getting old, definitely all the skin that we have will start saggy. But if you have been using a good product, you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day, that will help you to reduce all those lines, okay guys? And you moisturize your skin every morning, and you have a habit of fruits, lovely fruit. There's a lot of fruits there, and cucumber is one of my favorites, watermelons, okay? And stay away from all this junky food. Those are the cause, and you need at least 8 hours sleep. Go for a long walk to get a fresh air, okay? We need that vitamin D. You can go with your friend, with your dog. You can walk to the beach. I love walking around the beach in order for my skin to receive the salt water. The fresh air there is full of healing. It's good for our skin. If you can go down there, go to the beach or go to where there's a fresh air. Stay away from that sun exposure that damage our skin. And if you are the type of person who smoke, the smoke himself is not good to our health. It damage our skin. Okay guys, and please let me know after 4 working days, let me know what you think about this my home remedy. Leave it in your refrigerator at least for 1 month. Okay guys, I hope this will help you. If this help you guys, please share my video with your neighbor, with your friends. Bye for now.